All right, today we're starting out here in Mohnton, PA, a small borough in Berks County, Pennsylvania. Mohnton is a quiet little town, population right around 3,000 people today. It's the kind of place where not much changes fast. In fact, the population actually peaked around 2007 at just over 3,100 people, and it's stayed pretty steady or slightly declined since then. This area traces back to the 1800s, originally was known as Mohn's Store, named after an early local family, and it officially became Mohnton in the early 1900s when the post office was renamed. So you're really looking at a classic small Pennsylvania borough, tight community, older homes, and deep local roots. As we head north, we're leaving the quieter outskirts and moving toward one of the more historically important cities in Pennsylvania, Reading. Reading is a completely different story. Today it has a population of about 95 to 96,000 people, making it one of the larger cities in Pennsylvania, actually the fourth largest in the state at one point in modern rankings. But what's really interesting is its history. Reading was founded in 1748 and was named after Reading, England. It quickly became a major industrial powerhouse, especially in the 1800s and early 1900s. At its peak, Reading was known for railroads, iron, steel, and manufacturing. The Reading Railroad, which a lot of people recognize from Monopoly, was headquartered right here. The city was also a major transportation hub and one of the richest manufacturing cities in the region at the time. But by the early 20th century, this was a booming place. Factories, jobs, growth, all centered around industrial and rail. But it's like a lot of cities in the Northeast, things changed as manufacturing declined. In the mid to late 1900s, Reading was hit hard economically. Jobs left, industry shut down, and the city went through a long period of decline. At one point in the 2010s, Reading was actually ranked among the poorest cities in the United States by poverty rate. Reading, Pennsylvania was ranked as the poorest city in the United States based on 2010-2011 census data. At that time, it had a population of over 65,000, with roughly 41% to 49% of its residents living in poverty, while its ranking has fluctuated, often placing in the top few. The city has maintained high, persistent poverty levels, particularly among single mothers. Historic ranking in 2011, census figures showed Reading had the highest poverty rate in the nation for its population size. A decline in manufacturing jobs and the loss of major local factories contributed to this trend. While the poverty rate has slightly decreased from its peak around 35.4% in 2018 and roughly 28% by 2026, it remains among the highest in the nation. As we're driving along Fifth Street here, this is one of the main arteries through the city, from the southern end all the way up north. You're seeing a mix of everything: older row homes, small businesses, warehouses, and pieces of what used to be a much bigger industrial machine. This road really gives you a cross-section of Reading, past and present. Reading is also known as the Pretzel City because of its long history of pretzel production, something that still connects it to Pennsylvania Dutch culture. And despite everything it's gone through, this is still the center of Berks County, economically and culturally.